Well, good morning, and welcome back to Log Cabin Firewood. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Jack, and this is Log Cabin Firewood. And today, we are still at Firewood at the furnace. There's still a good bit of wood here to get split. We've been dealing with a sick Miss Taryn, so we've been taking care of her. I haven't had much time to do a lot of things this week, so you're getting another video back from here. So let's get the 916 fired up. Got a couple hours before the sun goes down, and we'll see what we can do. Here we go. Brad decided to show up, cleaning up the mud pit. I tell you, when you have a conveyor, it spoils you. Splitting and stacking into a wheelbarrow is no fun. We only have a little bit left here. I'm gonna try and get this face cord full with what I've got sitting here. I don't know if there's a face cord here, but we'll try and get this row filled up before the sun goes down. Brad wants me to save this ash for his bundle wood. He don't know how it got down here. In the rush, it somehow got mixed up and brought down here. there's still a few monster rounds over here. This thing's, about waist high, well, down to the bottom of my pocket. It's still a pretty heavy round. This thing's probably, 200 pounds-ish, maybe more. Let's see if the Eastonmade 916 can lift this thing up. Oh yeah. I'm not even gonna try and catch this. I'm gonna send it. So this week we got to play at Brad's a little bit, and I made a short there last week when I was there, and I got a couple comments about, it's nice that I go over and help Brad, and I appreciate that. It's cool that people are noticing that I'm going out and helping. But Brad and I's friendship has been about a year long now. I met him about 2 weeks before last year's fellowship, and Brad was huge contributing factor to me starting a YouTube channel. So I always say, take care of each other. I mean that. Take care of each other. Go out and help somebody. Give somebody a hand. And it's not about getting anything in return. It's about just doing the right thing. And that saying right there is a saying that I got from Brad. I forget what we were talking about one day, but in our conversations, he said, Jack, it's about doing the right thing. And that really, it spoke numbers to me, because that's something that I've tried to do in my life always, is just doing the right thing. I got a lot of people that support me, family, friends, you guys. I'd hate to let somebody down. So in my life, I've always tried to do the right thing. But it is very nice that Brad's Woodyard is so close, because this is therapy to me. This is my rest and relaxation. Yeah, it's hard work. Sometimes, you sweat a little bit. You can see my hat. There's sweat rings on it, and it's the middle of February. Well, I guess it's the beginning of February. Firewood to me is instant gratification. You split a piece, it's ready to be stacked, it's ready to season. You're making bundles, put it in here, wrap it up, it's ready to, go out. So I'm very thankful and fortunate that Brad is this close to me, and he allows me to go play in his wood yard. And he did show up in the evenings and help me stack. I just didn't record any of it. But I'm actually getting ready to head back over there as soon as I finish this little video. I got 2 wheelbarrows of the rest of this maple to do, and I'm heading back over there to try and get through some more wood today. But I just wanted to take a second and say, thank you everybody for the support. Thank you for your kindness, your generosity. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of stuff, tell a friend. But we'll catch you back here next Saturday, 6:30 a.m. Hope to see you again. Take care of each other. Thanks, guys.